Hello and welcome to Casper Curates. We have finally arrived at the Nature Trails Forest Walkway, which is located at Malabar Hill, which was inaugurated on 30th March of Gudi Padwa 2025. So let's walk you ahead and take you through the Nature Trails Forest Walkway. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो कैमरास भी लगे हुए हैं। तो आप जब भी यहाँ पर विज़िट कर रहे हो, मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में यहाँ की लिंक दे दूँगी। उस लिंक पर जाकर आपको नंबर ऑफ़ पीपल, द मेन विजिटर एंड योर टाइम स्लॉट आपको सिलेक्ट करना है और यू हैव टू प्रोसीड फॉर बुकिंग। The charges per person is 25 rupees and for Indians, for foreigners it is 100 rupees, and at a time on this walkway you need to be just 400 people, which is why the slot booking is availed. And as you can see that there are cameras here over there to inspect that things go smoothly around here, and you cannot walk in unless and until you scan the QR code which you get on booking the Nature Trails Forest Walkway from their website. So like you can see around here, there are like huge kind of mountains here, and it is very pleasing. Once you enter, you feel like as if you are entering in a cave. So it is very soothing in the evening. So the best time to visit here is in the morning or then in the evening, and also in the monsoon. The monsoon would be my favorite season to visit here because it is very pleasing to walk your way in this monsoon when you have tiny droplets on your face. So decide your time and grab your tickets to visit here soon. So let's walk you. When you are walking here, you can hear birds chirping, and that is a very sweet voice of the birds which you enjoy while you are walking in this nature. Visit here, so please hurry and grab your tickets. It's just 25 rupees per person for Indians. So yes, do not waste this opportunity to enjoy this nature trail here. And we have just started this walkway. You can see how it is built. You can see you have a view of lovely flowers, colorful flowers, purple flowers, pink flowers, red flowers, and a lot more to see ahead. I will give you a close view of these red flowers from there. Come. See, this flower is so beautiful, a very beautiful flower. I am visiting here at a time of 6 to 7. You get 1 hour slots to visit here. So please take your deal and please be a part of booking this for your 1 hour, and make sure that you make the most of it. So when you are walking around, make sure that you read this useful and beautiful information which is given here. Like I was telling you that you can have to hear a sweet voice of the birds chirping around. So here it is all given. Oriental magpie robin, scientific name Copsychus. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but you can just pause this video and you can make an attempt to read this. It is a very useful information. People had worked a lot on this walkway, giving the useful information around here. And yes, this is India's longest walkway, which is open in Maharashtra's Mumbai city. So please do make an attempt and take the effort to visit this place. In fact, all the Mumbaikars should do make this attempt to please visit here and enjoy this serene beauty which is full of lush greenery here. Enjoy the view of Girgaon Chowpatty right from here. If you have followed my previous videos, then you might have seen this view from Hanging Garden and the Pramod Navalkar Viewing Gallery, apart from which now you are able to see this view right from the Nature Trails Forest Walkway, right all in front of you, and you have a good view from here. Without any obstacles leading your way, you can directly have a view straight to the Girgaon Chowpatty, which is a closer view from this forest walkway. You can see that the lights are on now. Guys, you can see that the lights are on now, and I don't want to miss a chance of taking this shot from my DSLR as well. I'm sure it's going to look even lovelier when it is a little more dark. Guys, you can see that the lights are on now, and I don't want to miss a chance of taking this shot from my DSLR as well. See that you can see that all the lights are on, and it is going to be way more beautiful when it is a little bit more darker. So let's walk you and let it get a little bit more darker for me to get a view of it. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो कि पूरी भीड़ सिर्फ इस टर्निंग के पास ही खड़ी हुई है। पूरा वॉकवे खाली है और सारी भीड़ इस टर्निंग के पास ही है। So now we are closing for the day. I had booked from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. If you want to enjoy the lights and you want to come a little early, so then you can make this booking at 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. 10 minutes before the slot ends, you can hear an announcement from the authority stating that you need to vacate the deck here. So you need to evacuate it. As you can see, the announcement is going on. So now I will drop in all the information about this website, booking, the timings, rates and everything. So please make it a point to visit here, and hope you have liked this video. Then please do like, comment, share, subscribe, and please do let me know if you have visited this location on looking at my video.